GRT at the time of this recording continues to hold within our key area of support that lies between the 0.164 and the 0.1478, and at the time of this recording we are bouncing on a key area of support that lies above the 0.1506, and we are now attempting a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to have for registration is an email and a phone number to register for an account. Getting back to the chart, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of an Deriv structure that has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 1-2 setup. Then we continued to obey the Deriv structures, where we were able to put in place a high in these Deriv count 1. Then we saw a bit of a corrective structure in an Deriv count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made in that wave A, that is the wave 1, to the highs that we made in this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have not fully maximized. And there are high chances that we have the lows in place for that Deriv count 2, and in the next coming hours we can easily start an impulsive movement to the upside in an Deriv count 3. And for that to play out, we first need to see a break above resistance above the 0.165, flipping it back into support. And the moment that plays out, then we can watch for a break above the significant highs we made above the 0.1807 and the 0.1943. And the moment we manage to break above those highs, then I will be expecting an aggressive bounce, getting us back above the 0.24 in that Deriv count 3. Then expect a pullback in a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an Deriv count 5. We also need to have in mind that we can also get rejected at resistance above the 0.165, and the moment that plays out, I will be watching for a breakdown move to fully maximize this target area once again. And as long as we continue holding within the area, there's a chance of a bounce back. And on the worst case scenario, in case we break to the lower side of this target area over here, then I will be expecting a total breakdown move to give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September. And on losing those significant lows over there, we can easily get a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the daily chart. On the daily chart, I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.4947, giving us a high in this Deriv count 1. Then we started a pullback in an Deriv count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have not fully maximized, and that is an area that I came up with using the fibs, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high above the 0.4947, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have not fully maximized. And there are high chances that we have a low in place for that wave 2, and an impulsive movement to the upside in a wave 3 is now imminent. But we also need to have in mind that for that impulsive movement in a wave 3 to play out, we need to continue holding above the fib level 0.88, and that is above the 0.1275, which is the last line of support on the Fibonacci's. If by any chance we lose that line of support on the Fibonacci's, that will be suggesting that we are going to get a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is something that you need to watch out for in the next coming days. And that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will be keeping you up to date.